Hello students, in this video we are going to study the assignment number 4, which is present in the CL8 practical. Okay, so the assignment title is prepared analysis model or the class model. So what you have to do in this assignment, you have to identify the classes, assign the responsibilities, prepare the data dictionary, draw the analysis class model using UML 2.0 notations. After that, implement the analysis class model class diagram with a suitable object oriented language. Okay, so this is your assignment. We can say the assignment descriptions or the problem statement. Okay, so first you have to identify the analysis classes, and after that we have to assign the responsibilities. Okay, so this assignment we are going to perform on this particular case study. The case study is hotel restaurant system. Okay, and from that case study we are going to identifying the classes, we are going to identifying the responsibilities, and after that we are going to draw the class diagram. Okay, so first I am sharing you the case study of hotel restaurant system. So this is the case study of hotel restaurant system. Okay, so you go through this case study deeply. Okay, and understand this case study, what it says, or from this case study you have to identify the classes, you have to identify the attributes, you have to find out the responsibilities. Okay, responsibilities of individual classes, then attributes. After that we have to find out the responsibilities. Okay, so all these things you have to find out through this case study. Okay, so this is the case study we are referring. So this is the case study for hotel restaurant system. Okay, so you go to this case study. After that, what your problem statement says, here you can see that first identify the analysis classes and assign responsibilities. Okay, so after that you have to draw the analysis class model using UML 2.0 notations. So for this drawing, here I am using the Argo UML. Okay, so in Argo UML I have already drawn the class diagram. Okay, so analysis class model from the given description. So the description I have already shown to you. So from that descriptions I have drawn this class diagram. Okay, so you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, total 11 class I have identified from that case study, and these are the some attributes of the respective classes. So you can see here, these are the attributes of payment class, these are the methods of this bill class, these are the attributes and methods of discount class. Okay, and these are the relationship between the two classes. So you can see here. Okay, so now what is the next task? The next task is, after drawing the class diagram, you have to implement that analysis class model or the class diagram with a suitable object oriented language. So what you do in this assignment number 4, so you have to implement this. Okay, so here you can see that total 11 class are there. Okay, so what you do in implementation? Okay, so we are using the we are performing the implementation in Java language. Okay, so for that purpose what you have to do, you have to give the declaration of all the classes. Okay, in Java analysis means what? You have to simply convert all these things into the Java. Okay, so simple declaration of 11 classes. Suppose if you are writing the code, okay, Java code for this particular class, for a single payment class, so what you do, you write the code, Java code for payment class, and in that whatever attributes you are using for this payment class, only declare that attribute with respect to this class. Okay, so only declaration part, whatever attributes is there, whatever methods are there. Okay, so only you can declare that into a particular class. That means only declaration is there for this analysis. Okay, so we are not going to implement any function, any methods here. We are only declaring the things. Okay, so you can see here, this is the class diagram we have drawn in the Argo UML. Okay, so now what you have to do, we have to write the code, Java code for this. Okay, so we have already done this. Okay, so we are, you can see here, total 11 classes are there. Okay, so you can see in diagram as well as in code here. Okay, so here you can see that the bill.java class is there, discount class is there. Okay, so here you can see the drink class is there. Okay, you can see here the drink class is there. So here you can see the drink.java class is there. After that the payment class is there. So whatever classes you are drawing in a class diagram, the respective declaration of that Java that classes, it should be there in the coding. Okay, so you can see here the payment.java method is there. Okay, so in a payment method, what we have done, we have simply declared the methods and the variables of that payment class. Okay, so after that only you can see the table class is there. So here you can see the table attribute we used, this is the table constructor and get set method of that particular class. Okay, so here you can see that the get set method, that means for every class you have to write the Java code for get set method or whatever methods you have declared in particular class diagram and the attributes. Okay, so this is the assignment number 4. Okay, so you can see one by one here the waiter.java class is there. So all the methods we used in the class diagram for waiter class, so all these methods are declared over here. After that you can see the meal class. Again in meal class whatever attribute we used we declared here. Okay, so for you can see for ordered class whatever attributes, you can see here the table id is the attributes we used for giving the ordered and whatever methods we have declared. So simply declaration part is there. Okay, so for this particular assignments you can see the drink class is there, only declaration of the variable is done over here. After that discount class, so simply discount amount is there and this particular method is there. After that you can see the bar staff is there. So these are the methods we used in this bar staff class. Okay, after that you can see the kitchen staff is there. So these are the methods we used in the kitchen staff. So likewise whatever whatever here you can see whatever classes we used here, so all those classes converted into the .java file. Okay, so payment.java, bill.java, discount.java, management.java, meal.java, so all these files are converted into the .java. Or what that file that .java file contains, it contains the whatever attributes we used in this particular class. Okay, and whatever methods we used in this particular class, so only the methods and variable declaration is there in the assignment number 4. Okay, so now I am concluding our assignments. So you can see here for this assignment number 4, for preparing analysis model, what you have to do, you have to draw the class diagram. Okay, and class diagram and the Java implementation for all these classes. Okay, so this is for the assignment number 4. Okay, okay, I hope you clear with this. Thank you.